Hello, welcome to Shaladi Kitchen. Yes, today I'll be showing us how to make our soya bean soup. Yes, soya bean soup. This can sound new to some persons, and some persons are already used to it. Yes, it's one of my favorite delicacy, and my husband loves it as well. You can see the ingredients are there on the screen. I have my goat meat, I have my cow skin, I have my chopped onions, my bell pepper, chili pepper, and together there I have my cube, my Maggi cube. I have my locust beans, yes, and I have my ginger, and you can see my soya bean. This soya bean, you have to soak it overnight, or you soak it for some hours, like 2, 3, 4 hours, so that it will be softened enough for you. Yes, first thing first, we pre-boil our meat, which you're seeing me doing over there. You pre-boil the meat, then you make your things, you prepare your ingredient down. Let's go. Don't forget, you can use any vegetable of your choice. I used pumpkin leaf for myself. So you can see I'm blending my ingredients. I have to blend my ginger, my locust beans, and the pepper, bell pepper, chili pepper together. Now it's time to wash our beans. You have to wash the soya beans just like you wash your moi moi, just like you wash the beans for moi moi or akara. You have to wash the peel, the skin off. You can see me doing that very well. Wash it out, sieve it properly. Then we blend. Yes, we are blending already. Let's go. Our meat is ready now. Some persons you might want to fry your oil, put your onions and the rest, but I don't like doing that. So I just add my red oil, my palm oil to the meat, my meat stock or my meat directly on the fire. Then I add my ingredient from there. Please, before we proceed, please, do me well by giving this video a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click the notification button so you'll be notified when more videos drop. Thank you so much. God bless you. Let's go. You can see I've added my stock, my pepper, and everything to it. Let's go. Yes, it's time now to add our soya bean, the blended soya beans. You can see that you add it gradually, you stir, you add gradually. Then you leave it to boil for 30 minutes so that it can be properly cooked. Leave it to boil for 30 minutes so it can be properly cooked. And after you know it's cooked, you see the foam, everything will be dissolved, will be disappeared from the top. Then you can add your vegetable and of your choice, anyone. You can use spinach, you can use anything to top it. God bless you. Yes, our soya bean soup is ready. This is yummy. Wow. Thank you for watching. God bless.